What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So September is just starting and the recent release of the new iPhone 16 series is quite new. No really big changes and most of it is AI that will be mostly released in the future updates. But for today's video, we'll be doing another unboxing. Yes, so we have purchased the cheapest MacBook, which is the M1 MacBook Air. This will be mostly used by my partner as she will be taking some new courses for her studies. And we are able to get a huge discount from the regular price before of 64,000 pesos, so probably around 1,100 US dollars. So we are able to get it for only 43,000, which is around 800 US dollars. So this is the 13-inch MacBook Air M1 baseline model, which do have an 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU with 8 GB of RAM, and 256 of SSD storage. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. So we are able to open the box now, and here's the MacBook Air M1 in space gray color. This is a little bit smaller than the M2 that I unboxed last month, and it is also much lighter as well. I like how it is razor thin. It is, and as you can see on its both sides. But let's part ways with this Mac and let's check other things on the box. So we have here the USB Type-C charger cable, and it is not the braided one like the M2, unfortunately. So I have some paperwork like documentations and space gray Apple stickers. We also have its 30 watts power brick. Alright, so we are able to unwrap it. This really looks good and the build quality is totally A+. And that is what I really like with Apple, is their consistency and craftsmanship on their devices. With this space gray color, it's kind of fingerprint magnet, but I really like how thin and lightweight it is. On the right side, you will see that we have a headphone jack. On the left side, we have the two USB-C ports or Thunderbolts. Unfortunately, this doesn't have yet any MagSafe, which is present on the M2. So, let's turn this on. Once turned on, we are greeted by its welcome sign. The keyboard is a little bit smaller than the M2, and we can be able to see the two speakers on its sides. There's also a MacBook Air printed on the bottom part of the screen, which is not available on the M2. Testing the keyboard, it is just fine. And let me just fully set up this laptop now. Alright, so it is fully set up now. So first impressions on this laptop is great. As usual, it is fast and responsive and way ahead on some Windows laptop, which kinda laggy when turning on. Its metal build combined with its lightness is really great. It is very compact and you can put it on any bag that you have. It does have a smaller screen and a little bit less powerful display than the M2 variant. This space gray color really picks up a lot of fingerprint as well, unfortunately. But the battery life is really good so far, and speakers are really top notch. So I'll definitely do more testing on it and comparing it with M2 and Windows laptop. And for its price, this is a good steal right now. So get it while it's still on sale. So that is my unboxing and first impression for this M1 MacBook Air in 2024. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.